Real hot girl shit. Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too. And that's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes.
Hey y'all, it's Diamond. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you were already subscribed, thanks for tuning into another video. So today I'm going to be doing a hair review on Cranberry hair. They sent me some beautiful deep wave hair. If you know me, you know curly and deep wave is my favorite type of hair. So I was happy when they sent me this hair. The longest inch I have is 26 inches. Okay, so I got a 20-inch closure, 22-inch bundle, 24, 26. So I just got them in layers. And yeah, it's so beautiful. So I'm just gonna show y'all what I do to it. In my first review, y'all liked how I brushed the hair out first so y'all can see, like, you know, how big it is. I know, well, my hair looks a mess right now, but I'm about to wet it. And then I wet it, and then I came back like hours later to show y'all like the real curls, not just the fresh dry curls. Look, I've been out all day. Let me see how fuzzy the curls is, type curls. So yeah, I got that. So today, oh, I need to fill this up. I'll be using a spray bottle, this Eco Styler, the olive oil and shea butter black castor oil gel, and the Cantu leave-in. I usually use wet line gel, but I ran out, and it's been doing good. I feel like gel is gel. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I got this hair as bundles, and then I had somebody make it into a wig for me. That's how I usually like my hair. When the hair is already made into a wig, sometimes it's very like, it's not thick enough. But yeah, what else I was gonna say? I guess I could tell y'all about it while I do it. I'm gonna start in sections. Y'all, when I first received the bundles, the hair was super soft, like really soft. And the only thing that was weird about it was the closure. Like usually, you know, you have like 5x5 closures, 4x4. This one was either, I don't know, a 1x1 or 2x2. Like this closure was very small. Like that's the smallest closure I've ever seen. I wish I took a picture. Even the person, my roommate who does my hair, she was just like, girl, what is this? But it worked. After I wet my hair, I go in and I add my Cantu leave-in conditioner, and then I go in with the gel afterwards. Once I'm done adding my product, I just run through that section with my Denman brush. Make sure you get all the knots out. And this hair, like, you see how I've been brushing, only this right here, like it does not shed that much. For me to be brushing like this, it doesn't shed that much. And I just hate when people do a review and they have like a couple of curly pieces and be like, oh, this hair sheds. It's curly hair, what do you expect? Like, it's gonna shed. Alright, so I did half my hair on camera just so y'all could catch a glimpse of what I was doing. So basically it's very easy. All I did was spray it, put the leave-in, put the gel. So I'm gonna do the other half off camera because y'all got the point by now. Alright, so I'll be back when I'm done. Ooh, hello. Swaggy. Let's start. But what's the most asked questions? Most of y'all ask what's my height so y'all can know what inches to get your bundles. I'm 5'2", and the hair's not dry yet. It's dry. I'm gonna show y'all when it's dry later, but it's like at my belly button right now. And what else? Does it shed? Deep wave curly hair, it's gonna shed regardless. It's not an excessive amount of shedding. Like it rarely, like, is little to none shedding. So that's the good thing about the hair. Oh, does it get tangled? No, I feel like if you brush it out every day and do what you're supposed to do with it, it doesn't get tangled. Just wash it, make sure you're detangling with like a Denman brush. The hair doesn't get tangled if you detangle properly. Like if you're barely combing your hair, of course your hair gonna be netted up, but it doesn't matter. But yeah, so I showed y'all, I brushed it out for y'all, as you're gonna see. I brushed it out, and then you see how it is when it's wet. And then I'm gonna come back after running my errands at the end of the day and show y'all how it really looks, not just when it's like freshly dry. I'm gonna show y'all like if it gets puffy or, you know, frizzy, so y'all can know if y'all want the hair. Because I know spring break is coming up, and I know everybody's trying to, you know, see where they want to order their bundles from. So I just want to help y'all out. All right, so it's currently, can y'all see, 9:34. When I did my hair earlier, it was only like 3:30, so it's fully dry. I went out like that, and this hair held like so defined. It's popping. I mean, if you want a little puffier, I guess you could like brush it out, or but this hair is popping, y'all. So all right, Cranberry. Ooh. Oh, all right, I'll see y'all next video.
Cause they really damn. All my diamonds shine, cause they really damn.